ang lahat ng ating controversy or criticism is for this particular, very particular so-called or claimed People's Initiative with the particular wording, di ba? With the particular form. The joint voting, the form, etc. And then the allegations na may binayaran, may pinangakuan.
Sir, yung case will be, the respondents will be the COMELEC at the FEMA?
Okay, kung mag-file na kami diretso sa, whoever will file diretso sa Supreme Court, the respondent will be the COMELEC. Kasi ang prayer dito, prohibition eh. Parang court, stop the COMELEC from doing their ministerial duty at saan ba nila nakuha yun? O, yung mga ganun. Pero pwede rin tayo mag-file na ng mga special proceedings siguro sa COMELEC to tell COMELEC, stop also what you're doing.